Greetings to all. French Tweets is glad to have facilitated thousands of learners for various exams and levels ranging from DLF, DLF to TEF, TCF through our successful globally conducted live online classes. We also facilitate recorded lecture series. Whether you are a previously enrolled learner or new at French Tweets, start your French journey effectively and affordably with our comprehensive recorded lecture series available to all the curious learners waiting to learn the French language, and that too at a reasonable cost. Lectures conducted by Francophone native experts are brought to you exclusively in the recording form. Whether you are a working professional or a student, get access to these recordings anytime, anywhere, and start learning with us. Enroll now and get quick access to e-learning material provided on the website www.frenchtweets.ca. Commence your French journey with us today. Beginner's Level A120 Session. Begin your basic A1 level with recordings of 20 sessions demonstrated by our native expert. From accent to grammar, these recorded lectures fill you with a comfortable as well as an enriching French learning experience. French learning just got easier. The learner will learn French from scratch at this basic level, which is called the discovery stage. The learner can interact in a simple way, can understand and use familiar everyday expressions and very basic phrases to indulge in day-to-day French conversation. The learner can introduce himself/herself to others. After this basic level, one can ask and answer questions about personal details. You need help on every possible front, French vocabulary and grammar, but also very accessible explanations to clarify the differences between the French and English languages. As a French beginner, your goal should be to be competent to exchange a few words with a French person. Able to get a grip of French pronunciation so you can understand the language. Able to carry out basic conversations in specific situations. Able to notice quick results and feel good about yourself. French Tweets' first tip is to always keep in mind these goals. You cannot be fluent in French from the very beginning. You'll have to be patient and work your way step by step to reach fluency. So at this moment, every interaction you have in French is a success. Be proud.